Lucid dreaming, losing what you love. You're so enlightened that you forgot. All we need is someone else to hold. You found another place to float away, rising higher from the ground you claim. Wish that we could talk the same about the things we love, about the things we love, about the things we love, about the things we love. But you're not asking, making sure I'm fine. If I'm not you, I haven't tried enough. Then you say you never shine so bright, but leave no room for life beside. Yours is all you ever seem to need. See you talk about health, but is it really that healthy? How you fulfill yourself? Maybe I shouldn't mind at all, but I miss when we were more similar. About the things you love, about the things you love, about the things you love, about the things you love. You're not asking, Feel the bitterness of my attacks. Iron bracelets, clicking teeth, carving letters into dirty sheets. Origami paper, soft to unfolding. You are the white. Somehow consoling this whole labor. I kind of fascinating when you are here. I this thing like naked skin couldn't keep out what I'm keeping in. Running anxious, crooked pin. Would you turn